Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Wednesday morning. It is now the 8th day of November 2023. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the Home Weather Office. And as I look out the window of the Home Office this morning, not a cloud to be found. It is a beautiful morning. A little cool, a little breezy on the west side of the valley. Those breezes will diminish as we go through the next few hours. And yeah, just a really nice day. Near average temperatures, upper 60s to around 70. Really nice day. What we're going to talk about here is, mostly we'll be looking at next week. For those of you that were on the Facebook chat last night, you'll know that I was mentioning some sort of uncertainty about next week. And as usual, when you're looking at something a week or more out, there is a lot of uncertainty in the models. So I'll show you the latest thinking and once again describe why there is a lot of uncertainty about what is going to happen next week. Still looks like we're going to get some rain, but how much, when it's going to start, what it's going to do in terms of snow, yeah, all of that is up for grabs. But again, that's still like a week away, so we still have some time to figure all that out. So let's start off with what is happening this morning. Beautiful morning, clear skies. That is the snow in the Sierra, which is always nice to see. A couple of clouds up north. And we may see a cloud or two during the day today, but otherwise just a really good-looking morning throughout Northern California, and we'll have sunshine throughout the day. As I said, there is a bit of a north breeze on the west side of the valley, but that will be diminishing as we go through the day. Let me show you the big picture. This is actually happened to be the 6Z, so I can get into next week, but it's not going to change that much. So a couple of things, a couple of features we'll be watching here. This is Thursday midday, and then this is Thursday night. Little wave going by here that, as I'll show you in a minute, is really going to fall apart. It'll bring us some clouds Thursday and again during the day Friday, but this isn't the sort of thing that brings us any rain. There will be some rain in the northwest, but none of that for Northern California. And that wave goes by. This is getting into Saturday. Saturday, beautiful day. Some weak ridging. The next system we're looking at is up in here. But as we head through the weekend, this is Sunday. Sunday looks nice. This is Monday, and this is what I'm worried about, is this low that's been dropping down. Let me back this up. So you watch this low out in here. Nice jet stream behind it to drive it to the south. But the problem that can happen here is that these things can turn into these meandering cutoff lows that the models, especially a week out, will have a tough time figuring out. So this is getting into the day on Tuesday. We would still be dry, and a lot of that energy stays off the coast, and this is into the day Wednesday. Beyond that, the models do eventually bring us chances of rain, like here, but we're all the way to next Friday. So yeah, a lot of uncertainty there. Let me go to the NAM, and I'll show you that first wave, the Thursday-Friday wave falling apart. So this is Thursday afternoon. We'll likely have more clouds, but there's that area of rain right there. And then as we head into the day on Friday, this is Friday, very early morning, and that wave just falls apart. You can just see how it just does nothing for us. So very, very likely that our area will stay dry. There will be some light rain up in the northwestern corner of the state. There may even be a sprinkle into Lake County, but that would be about it. And so there's our Saturday. Saturday, sunshine, light winds, beautiful day. All right, let's get into I'll pick up the 12Z run of the GFS, and I'll pick it up on Sunday night, and you'll be able to see what happens with this rain. So this is Monday. Monday will likely have increasing clouds, and then this is Tuesday. Notice that the rain is out here off the coast. This is Tuesday morning. This is Tuesday afternoon, close to sunset. Rain on the coast. Rain still off the coast, and that's the problem. All the energy is off the coast, at least from this run. Nothing going on in the Sierra. And then finally on Wednesday, this is Wednesday morning, it brings in some rain, but nothing in the way of snow. And then finally into Thursday, we get maybe some better rain. That's Thursday. And then this is Friday, finally getting some rain and snow. So it likely is going to be one of those cases where we're waiting on the energy to spin in off the coast. Let me just show you what this looked like in the previous runs. So I'm going to go back to the 0Z run last night. And this is Tuesday night. So as you can see, widespread rain, widespread snow. So again, I'll show you the same time from the morning run. Yeah, no snow, and actually no rain from the valley. And then if I go back to yesterday morning's run 24 hours ago, same thing. It has shown, as we've gotten closer to that time, a good amount of rain and snow. So, as far as next week is concerned, a lot of uncertainty. I really don't like the pattern. It may take a while to evolve. It still looks positive that we'll get some rain and possibly some snow next week. But I have a feeling it may be one of those cases where we have to keep pushing it back and pushing it back, waiting for the energy to finally come inland. And I think that's what the morning models are beginning to show us, as opposed to what they've been showing us for the last couple of days, that we'd start getting rain Tuesday and then it would continue through Friday. It may be one of those cases where we keep waiting and waiting and waiting. So if you're seeing anything online about, people getting excited about next week, especially for the Sierra, it's going to be a wait and see sort of thing. And the great news here on our Wednesday, we can look forward to a really nice weekend. If you have anything planned outdoors this weekend, it's going to be terrific. And we'll be sorting out the resolution for next week over the next couple of days. So that's everything I've got for you on this Wednesday morning. Like I said, a beautiful day. Get out and enjoy it if you can. Make it a great day, and I'll talk with you later.